Hello everyone, Cody here, and in this video I want to talk about how to create a website quickly in Builderall using the Builderall Design Resources. So on the home page over here in our Builderall back office, we're going to go up to Apps, Design and Video, and go down to Design Resources. And as you can see here, we have 6 options. We have our buttons, so we have a whole button pack. Elements, as are like stars, squiggles, hand-drawn circles, arrows. We got badges for sales or guarantees. We have full website backgrounds and panel images, gradient backgrounds, and color background with images. So to start, I want to use the background site express images. Let's go to see more. And as you can see, these are pretty much full-blown websites done for you as far as the background image design is concerned. So we have an office one, a coffee one. You scroll down, you can see that there's many different types. As you can see, we have one for a bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick probably this one, the steak one. This is a steakhouse website layout. As you can see, this image would be your top header image or hero image. You can place this on top and then put a call to action and a button, maybe. They can make reservations. Right here we have our images for our panels. And then down below is our other panel image we can use. So let's go ahead and go up to the download. And we're going to look for Steakhouse right here. Double click. This is the Google Drive share place to download. And I want all these images. So I'm going to go to the top under the arrow that says Steakhouse. I'm going to click download. And it's preparing the download and zipping all the files up into one single file. And it'll show us where to save it to. So we click save, wherever you want your images saved. There we go, it's going to download. All right, I'm going to click out of this. Click out of here. And what we want to do is we want to create a website for our steakhouse. So on the home page, if you already have it installed, go to the Cheetah website builder, click enter. If not, you can go to apps, builders, and Cheetah website builder. Click that. All right. And now what I want to do is I want to create a new website. So I'll go over here with the plus sign and click create new site. Choose template. Click choose. And I want a blank one. So I'm going to click blank right here. Click blank. And there we go. Click select this and confirm and save. All right. This is our website right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to the settings icon, click it, and then click settings again. I'm going to click this on our name. We'll go to local steakhouse. This is our home page. We just keep it at yes for home. You can keep this home as well, and this home as well. Click save. All right. Now we want to edit the page. So on the website builder page, go ahead and click edit page. Okay. And what we have here is our website layout page. First things first, the width of this area is called a panel. So when you click it, you have these options. Next area will be our box or box element. This is our container, which holds our images and text. And then inside, of course, is the element of text. So what I want to do is I want to click this text and I just want to delete it. So click delete. And this box as well. I want to delete this box. Click delete. All right, now what I want to do is I want to add a panel. So on the right-hand side, this is the flyout menu. Click the arrow. We can add an element or panel. We can change the settings of that particular item, element, or panel that we have selected. And then our personal, we can go ahead and click if we previously saved a panel or an element for later use. Right now I want to click Add, Panel, and I want to click Blank Panel. All right, now we want to click this one and delete this one top, so this bottom one moves up. Click the text and delete that. Now what we want to do is we want to go to where we saved our images at. So for me, it's my pictures. And right now we have our images in a zip file. And what we want to do is we want all the images extracted because that's the only way we can upload them to Builderall. We can't upload a zip file, so we gotta extract. Click Extract All from our windows. Click Yes, Extract. And our new file right here, we have all our images. Okay. Click back. And we're going to delete this zip file. We don't need it anymore. Click out of that. And now what we want to do is we want to add a panel. So we already added the panel. We're going to add a panel image. So on our options, we click Edit Element. Over here, changes to panel because it is a panel. Now we want to go down to Background Settings. Change. We want to select a file. And in our new Steakhouse folder, where we save our Steakhouse images, we want to click that and click this again. And we want our main top header. Click this. Okay. And we can go ahead and continue to add all these other files. So I'm going to click all these. Click Open. And they're all going to go ahead and upload to our Builderall image area. Now what I want to do is I want to click the banner and click Save. As you can see, we have our new banner up, and we can move the area up or down. So we're going to move this down a little bit so we can see the full steak. Okay. And what we want to do next is we want to add some text. So we'll go up, go ahead and click Add, Elements, and Text. I want to click that. And let's say we want a heading title 2. Click this. And so I go over here to the side. Drag these handles over so it fits. And we want to go ahead and put some text in here. Try the best in town. Okay. We can go ahead and change the font if we like. So we're going to go to Font. Let's do Lido Black. Let's go ahead and change the color to white. Let's go ahead and move these over a little bit so it's just 2. And there we go. We can put it right here. Okay. Then we can add a button if we like. So we're going to Add, Element, Return if you're still in the text or you want to go back, just click Return. And we're going to click a button to add. So right here. And let's do this button right here. Move this back. Sometimes it pops it out of shape. There we go. I'm going to change the element, so click Edit when it's clicked on the button. As you can see, it changes the button. Go down to Colors first. And what I want to do is I want to choose a color that's like a gold. There we go. You know, let's go ahead and do a white button, actually. That works. All right, now text color. I want to go down to the headline. Go change the headline to make reservation. And Lotto is correct. We don't want the font to be Lotto. And here we can change our color to a black. We're going to make a call to action here about it more clear. So go ahead and put click. Oops. Click to make reservation. Okay. We go down to the size of the button. I want to make this a little bit wider. So on the width, we can go ahead and move this over. There we go. I'm going to put this right here. And we're going to double click. We're going to left justify the text. And make this so it matches. Okay. Doesn't look the best, but that's all right. Now what we want to do is we want to click on the panel again. Head on over to the side. Click Add, Panel. Do a blank panel. Okay. And right here we can put our text or whatever we'd like. Click on this panel again. Edit. Add. Panels again. Another blank one. But this time we're going to add one of our images. We're going to click here and delete this dummy text. I'm going to hit Edit. And you can do the pop-up panel right here. We can move it anywhere you want. Or if you close this off and swipe this out and hit Edit again, it'll take you to where you can edit it. So on this panel, what I want to do is I want to add an image. Under background settings, I'm going to click Change Image. And let's change it to, let's see, how about this one? There we go. Okay, what I want to do is I want to add an image to this. Add, Elements, Return. Scroll all the way down to Image. Click this. And just choose one of these. It doesn't matter which one really. It'll change the size of your image. Put this out here. There we go. A little bit bigger. With it click Edit, Element. Go to General. And change the image. And we want to add, let's add this one. There we go. All right, I like that one. And we can always add text over here. And right here, I want to add, another image. So click the panel, swipe out. And let's do another image. Click, edit element, change settings, change the image real quick. Let's add this one and save. Move this over here. And we want to make it a little bit bigger. And you can add your text and a button right here as well. So this is just a really simple layout you can do for your website. Just always make sure to break up the layout. So a colored design background with a white background or a lighter background. And you can keep doing them in order. So, like a highly designed, colored, light, just single color. Again, another design, and then you do it again with another plain, just so it breaks up the layout of the website. Thanks for watching the video. Again, this is just a short, quick tutorial on how to use the design resources for Builderall. You can also add badges and buttons in from that resource pack, following the same steps, downloading them and adding them to your Builderall account. Appreciate you watching the video. Hope you got some use out of it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link in the description. Take care and have a great day.